Hi, my name is Diana and welcome to Real Help. In today's episode I will show you how to make French fries. They are one of the most popular foods in the world and there are dozens of recipes for the perfect French fries, crispy outside and soft in the middle. The truth is that no matter what you try, you cannot make fresh potatoes have the same texture as frozen ones if that's what you are looking for. French fries from fresh potatoes will have the texture of real fresh potatoes. No amount of ice cubes, ice cold water, flour or spices will transform fresh French fries into frozen pre-cooked ones, no matter how you cook it, fry it, bake it, roast it or dip it in powders. First, you need to know that there are at least 4 types of potatoes: red, white, yellow and purple. If you want crispy French fries, go with the red type. They are also perfect for potato salads because they won't crumble upon boiling. The russet kind also works great for frying. While red potatoes go for texture, white potatoes are tastier. You can still make French fries from them obviously, but there is a chance they won't get as crispy as you might want if what you want is crispy almost chips-like French fries. White potatoes are perfect for making puree, baking or roasting them. With that being said, let's jump to the recipe. You'll need potatoes, I am using white ones in this demo, sunflower oil and salt. I used around 600 milliliters or 2.5 cups of sunflower oil. You need a lot of oil when frying potatoes the old-fashioned way. I will use this oil for more batches of French fries in the next days. The oil will not burn just from frying a single batch of French fries. Peel off the potatoes, wash them as a whole, rinse very well and dry them with a paper towel. Chop them however you want and don't rinse them in any more water. The washing, the water and the rinsing is done. You'll put them to fry as they are. Add the potatoes in the sizzling oil, arrange and don't touch them again for the next 11 minutes. Fry them for 11 minutes on high heat without intervening. After 11 minutes, take a fork or a spatula or whatever works for you, for me it's a fork, and separate them because they will be bonded like. Separate and flip them on the other sides. Fry them for another 2 or 3 minutes. Take them out on a platter with some paper towels. Be very cautious handling paper near a fire. And now you can salt them to your taste. Don't add salt while frying the potatoes. It will make them soggy and will also ruin the oil. Even though I used white potatoes, my French fries are crispy, golden and very tasty. That's it. This is how you make French fries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.